Cheeseburger mute, y'all. Mic on. True fall. Yeah, a night shift never tasted so good.
Confident you causing some quarter pounders, secrets dripping down like melted cheese. Just on a dashboard, fries cool quicker than peace. Lights flash, fade in a rear view. Another update for the feed. Talk radio and fast food theory, two-man show on McGiddy Street. Tuckin in the city, streets asleep. St. Paul dreaming, truth runs deep. Half cop, half DJ, half past tired. Turn that mic down low, stay wide. Be kind, rewind. Three-legged stool of foundry wisdom, borns in a burger, holding us upright. Confidential, but the cam's still glowing, streaming every bite into the night. Pat lost his phone, Bob lost his filter. Both found comfort in a #2 meal. Justice had a smell, it's grease and pickles. Can't appeal, what do you can't feel? Confidential conversation, extra cheese. No comment on the case, but we got 2 for 1 Sunday. City sleeps, mic still rolling. Tuckin in the city, beat don't lie. Headlights blinking like a lullaby. Say a prayer for the truth we miss. Cheeseburger Confidential, can't resist. Be kind, red, be kind.
From foundry to barns to the drive-through lane, recycling our energy and our napkins again. Mic off, mouth full, St. Paul tucked in. Good night.